Are you a Harley Sportster owner looking for a more comfortable seat? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to take a look at 10 of the most comfortable seats for Harley Sportsters on the market today. We'll start things off with a look at some of the features you should look for in a comfortable seat, and then we'll get into our top 10 list. By the end of this article, you should have a good idea of what kind of seat will work best for you and your Sportster. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the Mustang Motorcycle Seat 76032 Sport Touring One-Piece Seat. The Mustang Motorcycle Seat 76032 Sport Touring One-Piece Seat is handcrafted in the USA from premium materials for durability and comfort. The seat pan is made from 3/16 thick marine-grade fiberglass for a high-gloss gel coat finish and features vinyl edge trim for cover protection and carpeted bottoms to protect the paint. The hand-sewn covers are made from expanded vinyl for the look of leather without the maintenance and are resistant to the elements. The seat is designed to fit Harley-Davidson Road King 0821, Street Glide 0821, Street Glide Trike 1011, Electra Glide 0821, Road Glide 0821, and Tri-Glide 0921 models. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list. We have the Saddlemen 800-604-172RD StepUp LS seat. This seat features a gel core interior and ultra foam to create a foam that is a perfect balance of rigidity and user compliance. The passenger seating areas feature lattice stitch, LS, retro styling to infuse the old school spirit with a modern day twist. The ultra foam's unique molding process creates an element-resistant self-skinning process that seals the foam from water and enhances the seat's durability as well as comfort. The co-molded gel core is the largest comfort advancement in motorcycle seating since the creation of the suspension. Instructions and all necessary mounting hardware are included. At number 3 on our list. We have the Saddlemen StepUp LS 800-711-172. Saddlemen has collaborated with top freestyle performers to create the new T-Sport-inspired StepUp lattice stitch, LS, or tuck and roll, TR, seats. These seats feature Saddlemen's ultra foam, which is formulated to provide a perfect balance of rigidity and user compliance with integrated gel core technology. LS seats infuse old-school lattice stitch retro styling with a modern-day twist, while TR seats feature true tuck and roll styling. High lumbar keeps the rider locked into the seat with the comforts of gel core technology, making these seats the perfect choice for freestyle riders who demand the best. At number 4 on our list. We have the Mustang Motorcycle Seat 76957 Tripper Fastback One-Piece Seat. This seat features detailed stitch work, a streamlined driver area and tapered passenger area, delivering a super clean look. Plus, it's designed low-cut in order to offer additional back support. Includes 1. Tripper Fastback One-Piece Seat with tuck and roll stitching in black. Suggested for installation, not included, Phillips screwdriver and retained stock fender screw. Fits Harley-Davidson Sportster 0406, Sportster 1021. At number 5 on our list. We have the Mustang Motorcycle Seat 76694 Wide Tripper Solo Seat. The Mustang 76694 Wide Tripper Solo Seat is a great choice for those who want to ride low and look cool. The seat is wide in the hip area, making it comfortable for long rides. It also includes detailed stitch work in the durable synthetic glove leather cover. The seat comes with 1. Wide Tripper Solo Seat with diamond stitching in black, 2. Slotted mounting nuts, 2. Black nylon shoulder washers, 2. Chrome washers, and 1. Mini fender bib. Suggested tools for installation, not included. Phillips screwdriver, 5/8 deep socket or open-end wrench, and 7/16 open-end wrench. The Mustang 76694 Wide Tripper passenger seat is compatible with Harley-Davidson models. Road King 0819, Street Glide 0819, Electra Glide 0819, and Road Glide 0819, measures 11.5 rear width. At number 6 on our list. We have the Hammock driver passenger seat for Harley Touring. This seat is specially designed for the Electra Glide style, but can also be installed on the Street Glide. The seat features an integrated suspension system that protects the rider and passenger's tailbone from harsh road impacts. The Hammock driver passenger seat is a great addition to any Harley, so order yours today. At number 7 on our list, we have the Mustang motorcycle seat 76,728 wide tripper solo seat for Harley. This seat is cut low and wide, with extra width in the hip area to keep you comfortable on long rides. It also features detailed stitch work and a durable synthetic glove leather cover and can be used alone or paired with the matching passenger seat for 2-up riding. Includes 1. Wide tripper solo seat with diamond stitching in black and 1. Fender nut kit. Suggested for installation, not included, Phillips screwdriver and 5/32 Allen wrench. Fits Harley-Davidson Sportster 0406, Sportster 1021. At number 8 on our list, we have the Mustang motorcycle seat 76,145 fastback one-piece seat. This seat offers a high rising wall that provides excellent back support and is cut low to place the rider slightly lower and further back compared to stock. The tapered passenger section provides a streamlined look, and the seat includes 1. Fastback one-piece seat in black. Suggested for installation, not included, Phillips screwdriver and retained stock fender screw. Fits Harley-Davidson Sportster 0421 models with 2.1 and 3.3 gal. Tank. At number 9 on our list, we have the Mustang motorcycle seat 76,568 tripper solo seat. The Mustang 76,568 tripper solo seat is a great option for those who want the comfort of the day tripper seat, but with a sleeker, low-cut design. This seat sits the driver slightly lower and further back than stock, but still provides plenty of comfort for those long rides. The tripper solo seat is also compatible with the Mustang tripper passenger seat, so you can ride together on one bike. This seat is black and will fit Harley-Davidson Sportster models from 2004 to 2021 with a 4.5-gallon tank. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the Mustang motorcycle seat 76,150 wide touring solo seat. This seat is handcrafted in the USA from premium materials, so you can be sure it's built to last. The proprietary foam formula provides even weight distribution and eliminates pressure points, while the 3/16 thick marine-grade fiberglass seat pan ensures a smooth ride. The hand-sewn cover is made from premium expanded vinyl for the look of leather without the hassle of maintenance. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year warranty. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.